So here we have the Mini Cooper 5-door hatchback on a 68 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see, as I say, it's 5 doors with black alloys which match the black roof and mirror caps. We've also got tinted windows as well. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the boot, you'll see the sensors, plenty of boot space as well, and this tray section will fold down to give you a flat boot should you wish to fold the 60-40 split folding seats forward. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. You get half leather seats. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, so now they're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, we have the speedometer in the middle, and then the fuel gauge on the right-hand side. Within that central section, you can change the information displayed using a button on the end of the indicator stalk for various different bits of trip computer information, or you can have a digital readout for the speedometer, which will eventually, if you leave it a few seconds, take over the majority of that screen, as you can see. Also in that section, you'll see the total miles for this car, which are 9,567. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, we have cruise control and speed limiter, and on the right-hand side, we have stereo and phone controls, including voice activation for the phone. So you can hit that button, ask it to dial anyone in your contacts list, and it will do that for you without you having to take your phone from your bag or pocket. That is, of course, once you paired the phone up. And that is done on the central touchscreen just here. Hit the phone button, and then manage mobile devices, connect new device, and then follow the instructions on screen from there. If we go back a few pages, we get back to the main menu. We can do it as a touchscreen, or we can use it as a touchscreen, or we can use this dial down here to move around the various menus. Also, you can push it down to select things. It also moves to the right, left, up and down as well, which becomes useful within certain menus. So, for example, we have media and radio just there. We've got DAB radio and FM radio, as you can see. You can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio once you pair up your phone. And we have USB input as well. If I jog the dial to the left, we go back a page. We've then got satellite navigation. There's a full video showing exactly how the satellite navigation works on both our website and our Facebook page. But it's a very easy system to use. And again, if you jog the dial to the left, you'll access the menu that's on the left just here, and that's where the dial comes in handy. Or, of course, as I've already said, you can use the touchscreen should you wish to. Below that, we've got dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the temperature on either side of the car. You can adjust the fan speed. You can determine where you'd like the air to be distributed. When you're happy with those settings, hit that button to turn the air conditioning on or off. Or you can hit auto, and the car will maintain the temperatures that you ask for by taking full control of the fan speed for you. You can hear it doing that now, and if you press the auto button again, you'll go back to whatever setting you previously had that turned on. Below that, we've got these buttons just here. So starting from the left-hand side, this one turns off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is now turned off. This one starts and stops the engine. This one turns off traction control. And the one over here will put the car in sport mode, green mode, or mid mode, which is what it's in at the moment. So if I do that and show you on the display, you'll see the car is now in sport mode. We can go back down to mid mode, which is your everyday driving, and down to green as well, should you wish to. And then underneath that section, we have a 12-volt charging socket and the USB input that I mentioned previously. And finally, a 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.